What do we got?
Yeah, just straighten your legs up.
So it looks like she has double
Put it on up a little bit.
above knee amputations.
Position yourself up. Grab the top of that couch.
Yeah. Put your stomach in the middle of the couch.
Above knee amputations can require very significant energy use. Just a below knee amputation increases energy needs by about 40%.
What you said, baby? There you
A
go.
single
Use a strip.
traumatic femoral amputation, which is an or above knee amputation, increases energy expenditure by about 100%.
Use a strip.
And double above knee amputation
Straighten your legs up.
increases energy requirements more than 200%. So simple things like standing up or getting off the couch become incredibly difficult, and small tasks become very energy intensive.